All right, good morning, good morning. We're here, Dill's here.
Morning.
We got Eddie. We're going to put Ableflex around, dial this up, put some chairs in. That's what you can be doing too, Dill. You can just chair the hell out of everything. Go for it. Go. All right, she's down. All right. Now you know what we're doing. All right. She said, I'll chair it up now. Oh, beautiful, Joe. Yeah, whatever we can save the wall, the better. We'll just get him to pump it to the side here, and we'll push it over so it doesn't spray the wall. Look at that view. Oh, can't complain. Beautiful. How you going, Jay? You right?
Yeah, good.
Jay's doing around the pipes for me. Yeah, mate. Still got a bit more blue tape to put around. One side. And there. Where's the tap?
It doesn't have a thing on it.
Oh, you can't use it then. Put it away. Put it back away. Just fill your Beautiful. Just spin it around. Let's put it down. Yeah. And get it back. One, two, left, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So get a little bit there. Push on the button that edges go. Okay. Oh, no, no, no. This one again. Oh. Let's go. So, right, Poppy, let's go. Yeah, boys. He's by himself too. Yeah. Oh, that's beauty. Beautiful. All right, let's go. Coming out or what? Oh yeah, probably got nothing in there, have Pump up. Young Dylan's getting in down the pumpy. Pumpy life, Dylan. I'll give you a job probably. I'll give you a job too, these guys. He's got all greased up and up. Oh, he's going to put a new one in anyway, are you?
No, I've got it on.
Yeah. Alright. Beautiful.
I don't know.
Maybe it's not working. No. This doesn't want to work, this one.
Oh, that one.
Piece of shit. Can Eddie squeeze the shit out of this one?
Seem to be taking it, eh?
is that?
Like a fresh.
Oh, he did it.
I didn't go away
Yeah.
Close, no?
Go, Joe, show him.
now. Fuck you.
Go, Joe. Now I'll fuck it up.
No, you're fucking up. No, you won't. You're a master at it. See, the young fellas can't keep up with the old fellas. Ah,
47 this year.
47.
Yep.
You all think he's 30 years old.
I can race still.
Yeah. Concrete's here. Let's go. What time is it? 10 o'clock? All right, let's get it on. Over here, Nate. Nate, let's party first. You're going to start here. You get out of the way of the pump. Probably have to fucking...
Oh, where did you get that sick shirt from?
This one. Shop, mate. Shop. Hey, Ninja on the back. You never ever go,
Nah, does it?
Yeah, yeah, Ninja Zone.
Ninja Zone.
the Ninja Trainer.
Oh.
It's that one that...
That's one of your new work shirts. I was like, hang on.
It's that same class that they have here
Oh,
in town.
there it comes.
Oh, it's a good douche.
Everyone's running away. Wow. There it is. Wait till the mud comes out. Huh? It's blocked, Joe. Straight away. Give it a wiggle. Yeah, keep wiggling it. Keep wiggling it.
In the plumbers.
Thank you. I don't know why I think there anyway, but
Straight up. Well, we're ready to go, but the fucking pump is getting blocked up all the time. It's plain concrete. Come on. Easy. Dang it. Alright. We got first part in.
I haven't seen it.
Let's get it all off. Yeah. Let's go. Next truck. That truck didn't go very far. Last little bit to go. Everywhere else is done. Roll in, be wet. Where is this going? Ha! Going off. What the? Roll it back. I drank a drink. Still wet too. Yeah. Stop, Mickey. Go. I got it, stuff. Boys got it all good. Eddie's good. Eddie good?
Yeah, I was just checking the spot here.
Yeah. Taste out the whole lot with the deal. Beautiful. Yeah. Last little bit to go. Everywhere else is done. Roll in, she's wet. Where is this thing? Ha! Going off. What the? Roll it back. I drank a drink. Still wet too. Yeah. Stop, Mickey. Go. Do. Really good. See? He's did good. Everyone did good. Beautiful. Is it going hard yet? So it's only been in. It's only been in for an hour and a half.
Down that back.
Oh, 2 hours. Is it?
Outside, I mean, inside it
Yeah.
is probably going the brightest.
Okay, well, just we got to keep on all
Full
that.
sun.
Yep, yep.
And
No,
down
I'm putting the chopper on all this. So,
the driest bit down there.
yeah. How'd you go, Mickey? Here. You're getting a second hit now. Beautiful. Still so wet here. Good stuff. Good. Boys have come back from Smelko. Mickey's going out of here to sign that deal. We still haven't broken the garage yet. It's like 2.5 hours old. What's going on? It's been in the sun the whole time. But this part, the second truck was good. She went off. Oh, I can't see my shadows. I'll walk back this way. Beautiful. Finish up there. Just not in the shade. Cool. Yeah. Right, broom. Right, we finally got a hit. Wow. That took a while.
This little section is nearly gone.
Yeah, well, let's go. Let's get this done. Over here, Eddie. All right. The driveway is done. She's nicely broomed. Oh, you haven't done this yet, Brett? Ed? I didn't broom this before. Beautiful, Jay. That's good. Tight. That's really good. I like it. Make it shorter for yourself.
Yeah, the broom, it won't move.
Oh, you're stuck. Oh, yeah. Right, Eddie, broom like that. Yep. Beautiful. Oh, the cinder peg.
Yeah,
Oh.
Need. Oh, it's pretty good.
That looks good.
Compliments to the guy on the trout.
All of them.
Yeah, I was going to say, you did this part, didn't you?
I did lots of parts. That's why I haven't made any videos. I've been doing very busy.
Yeah, I'm like, where are you this week?
Not this week. Alright. We're done. She went off like everywhere. Shady spots. Still don't know how it goes. But it looks pretty good. This one dried up pretty quick. Edges are nice. Good. Bum. Everything in the sun went off like a rocket. And everything else in the shade, the sat. till the end. Hey, we're back here, Jay. Around the circle. That looks good, mate. I knew you'd do a good job.
Thank you.
Leave it up to you. I just don't say nothing to you. I know you got this shit.
We did good, eh?
Yeah, we did. Oh, you helping, Eddie? Just a little bit. That's good work. No, go get the little one. Go get the little one.
Okay.
Get in the little brush, yeah. Beautiful.
But I gave the old Viagra yesterday.
Yo, Viagra. Dude, sir.
I need 200 milligrams.
Bomba.
That's funny how scary movies great.
All done. I'm not going all the way around. I'm too buggered. You get the idea. Oh, actually, come on. Let's go. We'll walk all the way around. You guessed plain concrete, you were right. It was plain concrete. You guessed anything else? Oh well. Next time. Colour concrete was a good guess. We only put plastic down for normal concrete and coloured concrete. So, boom, boom. Boom, boom. We're back tomorrow to cut it all. Puss. Yeah, boys. Good work. Yeah. Over there. Yeah, mate.